Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing live TV and live sports application to your Fire Stick in 2026. And the very first step is you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you can actually skip this step. Otherwise, just go to the search bar, open it, and then start typing Downloader in the search. And usually there is even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is that orange application, which you need to get. But then, after you've got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to Settings, by clicking that little button with a gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. So click on it, and from here you have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So just go back a bit and you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on that ADB debugging feature, then head straight to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate downloader. So let's look at it. Here it is, and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we just go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is, open it up, and there is the downloader, which we got. However, before actually using downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Poland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just head back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Let's open it and head straight to Downloader now. So you open the application, and now here in the search bar, you just need to enter the code, which is going to be 4585605. Again, 4585605. That's the code you have to enter. Then you click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get the option to delete the installation files as you don't really need them anymore on your Fire Stick. So you just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And then we go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's open it. And now there at the bottom, you will find this new app which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then let's finally go and open this new app on your device. And now here I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically in the app you get loads of amazing live TV and live sport channels. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.